Microsoft Dynamics GP is a solution that helps you with what matters most, so you can have greater control, increase margins, and drive business growth. In this demo, you'll watch as a purchasing manager and an operations manager handle a potential product quality issue. We'll see how Microsoft Dynamics GP helps them quickly analyze the situation and take immediate action to resolve the issue. We'll start the demo in the role of purchasing manager at Contoso Entertainment Systems, a distributor of name brand and house-branded electronic equipment. In our Microsoft Outlook inbox, we've just received an important message from our CEO asking that we investigate a potential inventory return issue with the satellite speaker. We'll start this investigation by opening our Microsoft Dynamics GP Role Center. By looking at this customizable home page, we quickly identify the spike in returns. This could indicate an item quality or warehouse issue that may lead to decreased customer satisfaction or lost sales. To better analyze this issue, we simply click the red bar in the chart for more information. In Microsoft Excel, we can quickly view data from multiple sources. Here's Microsoft Dynamics CRM case history for the satellite speaker on the right, and the Microsoft Dynamics GP return data on the left. We need to filter the report to determine if this is a coincidental spike in returns or a vendor quality issue. Microsoft Excel quickly shows that 2 vendors supply this item to us. So let's compare the return reasons and customer service case history for each. It appears as though the returns from high-tech electronics are pretty typical. Let's take a look at audio suppliers. A large number of returns from this vendor are marked defective. It appears as though we may have a product quality issue with this particular vendor. To resolve this problem, we'll need to contact this vendor right away. With one click, we're taken to the vendor maintenance window, where we can see not only the contact details for this vendor, but also an integrated presence icon that tells us our primary contact at Audio Suppliers is online and available right now. Let's send Rob an instant message. We'll start by notifying Rob about the issue we're having with this item and ask if he wants to see our report. It looks like Rob is willing to take a look at the report. Rather than continuing this discussion through chat, it's easier to share our desktop and collaborate on this report in real time. Now that Rob can see the same return analysis report that we're looking at, let's ask what he can do to help. He needs to look into the quality issue and recommends that we order a replacement item in the meantime. Since we do not want to stall sales, we'll tell him that a purchase order is on the way. Now we need to create the purchase order. For many companies, this can be yet another time-consuming process with lots of manual steps. Let's see how easy this is with Microsoft Dynamics GP. Directly from the chat window, we can look up or create transactions in Microsoft Dynamics GP. We'll choose Create a Purchase Order. The purchase order window appears with Audio Suppliers automatically populated as the vendor. All we need to do is enter the line item details. Let's order enough inventory to cover our returned quantities and have some on hand for future sales. Since the order exceeds $20,000, we need to get approval from our manager. With a couple of clicks, we trigger a workflow in Microsoft Dynamics GP to route our purchase order for approval. An email alert has been automatically generated so that our manager can quickly act on this order. Now, let's switch to the Operations Manager role and take a look at how the purchase order approver would interact with this workflow request. An email message arrives asking for approval on the order. With one click, the Operations Manager can get more information and provide a response. Before approving an order, we'd like to review the order details. Notice that we don't need to log on to Microsoft Dynamics GP to see more information. We're satisfied with the details of this order and ready to approve it. With the Operations Manager's approval, the Purchasing Manager can continue processing this important order. For many businesses, sending purchase orders is another multi-step manual process, whether it's handled on paper or through email. Let's look at how easy it is with Microsoft Dynamics GP. With one click from the purchase order window, an email message is generated to the vendor, automating the entire process of submitting the order. In our Sent folder, we can see the message and attachment that was generated by the system. At our option, we can attach orders in a wide range of formats, including Microsoft Word, PDF, XPS, and HTML. In this case, we've chosen the Microsoft Word format. As you can see, all of the detailed purchase order information is pulled directly from Microsoft Dynamics GP into a professional and easy to customize Microsoft Word document. With this product quality issue quickly addressed, we can continue managing the operations of the business. Microsoft Dynamics GP delivers the right tools at the right time to simplify your business every step of the way. Thanks for watching.